of heavy machinery, few names command as much respect and raw power as Caterpillar. And for 2026, the legendary CAT D12 returns, fully re-engineered for the modern era. This beast isn't just a dozer, it's a technological juggernaut, designed to move earth, dominate terrain, and redefine efficiency on any construction or mining site. The 2026 Caterpillar D12 stands as a testament to the relentless pursuit of power, precision, and progress. Asterisk at first glance. The D12's presence is undeniable. It carries the rugged, muscular DNA that Caterpillar machines are known for, but with sleeker aerodynamics, smarter design cues, and more intuitive contours that blend brute strength with a touch of modern sophistication. Standing tall with a heavier blade, stronger frame, and upgraded undercarriage. It's clear this isn't just another dozer, this is the new king of the dirt. Asterisk under the hood. The CAT D12 2026 features an all-new CAT C36 engine, delivering a staggering 1,250 horsepower. This engine is not only more powerful than ever before, but also fully compliant with the latest global emission standards. Thanks to advanced combustion technology and exhaust after-treatment systems, you get cleaner operation without sacrificing performance. The torque is immense, and the low-end grunt makes pushing through rock, gravel, and debris feel almost effortless. Asterisk power meets efficiency with Caterpillar's next-gen transmission system. The D12 uses a fully automatic, electronically controlled power shift transmission with advanced torque converter lockup. What this means for operators is seamless gear transitions, reduced fuel consumption, and maximum pushing power, especially in challenging terrain. Combined with the adaptive load sensing system, the machine continuously adjusts to the load, optimizing engine output and hydraulic response. Asterisk speaking of hydraulics. The D12 is equipped with Caterpillar's Smart Hydraulics package. This intelligent system uses sensors to adjust blade pressure, angle, and lift in real time, giving the operator unprecedented control. Whether fine-grading a slope or moving massive mounds of earth, the response is smooth, precise, and incredibly efficient. The increased lift capacity and improved blade down pressure give it unmatched versatility for any applicant: mining, road building, forestry, or heavy construction. Asterisk step into the cab, and it becomes clear the 2026 D12 is as much about operator comfort as it is about brute force. The redesigned command cab features noise-canceling insulation, panoramic visibility, and a fully adjustable air suspension seat. Dual 12-inch touchscreen displays provide access to all vital systems, from machine diagnostics to GPS-based grade control and productivity tracking. Operators can customize settings, monitor fuel usage, and even receive real-time maintenance alerts. Asterisk for tech-savvy users. The D12 brings full integration with CAT Connect. This includes CAT Grade with 3D, which enables automated blade movements based on digital plans. With real-time feedback and cloud-based data sharing, job sites can run more efficiently than ever. Remote diagnostics, geofencing, and software updates make this dozer a part of the digital construction site revolution. You can manage entire fleets from a smartphone or control center with pinpoint accuracy. Asterisk Caterpillar also introduces its latest semi-autonomous operation system with the 2026 D12. In mining applications, this allows for programmed routes, obstacle avoidance, and automated push cycles, reducing the need for human input in high-risk areas. It's not full autonomy yet, but it's a huge step forward in safety and efficiency, especially on remote or hazardous sites. Asterisk safety has also been upgraded across the board. The D12 now includes a 360-degree camera system, proximity sensors, and enhanced LED lighting for nighttime operations. Emergency stop systems are easier to access, and the cab includes reinforced rollover protection. Caterpillar has gone the extra mile to ensure that this machine protects both itself and its operator. Even in the toughest conditions, asterisk maintenance and uptime are key to any job site, and the D12 delivers with a modular design that makes servicing quicker than ever. From ground-level access points to centralized fluid check stations and smart alerts, everything is designed to minimize downtime. The cooling system has been enhanced with auto-reversing fans to reduce debris buildup, and filters now have double the lifespan thanks to advanced materials and self-cleaning tech. Asterisk. Fuel efficiency is also front and center. Despite its massive engine and power output, the D12 consumes up to 15% less fuel than its predecessor, thanks to advanced load management and engine tuning. Add to that the hybrid electric assist option available for the first time on a CAT dozer of this size, and you've got a machine that's as conscious about cost as it is about capability. Asterisk. Caterpillar has paid attention to environmental sustainability too, with a significant reduction in carbon emissions, biodegradable hydraulic fluids, and quieter operation levels. The D12 is designed to meet the needs of a changing world, and with support for alternative fuels like B20 biodiesel, it offers flexibility for companies transitioning to greener fleets. Asterisk, let's talk about blades. The 2026 model offers multiple blade configurations, including the high-capacity U-blade, the straight S-blade, and the semi-U-blade all, engineered with stronger materials and optimized angles for better penetration and control. Each blade setup is compatible with the latest quick coupler system, allowing fast swaps in the field without specialized tools. Asterisk, track technology has also evolved. The D12 rides on Caterpillar's next-gen heavy-duty track system with forged links and a sealed cartridge design. This results in longer track life, reduced wear, and better traction in all soil types. Operators will notice smoother ride quality, less vibration, and improved performance when climbing, turning, or grading. Asterisk, when it comes to customization, Caterpillar delivers a wide range of factory options, from heated seats and climate control packages to advanced telematics, rear ripper attachments, winches, and counterweights. The D12 can be tailored to any job requirement. This isn't just a one-size-fits-all machine, it's a platform of possibilities. Asterisk, on the durability front, the 2026 CAT D12 is built with more high-strength steel, reinforced load-bearing structures, and a redesigned frame that can handle years of punishment. Caterpillar's legendary reliability continues with extended warranties, global parts support, and a dealer network that spans over 190 countries. Asterisk, the 2026 CAT D12 is more than a dozer. It's a symbol of everything Caterpillar stands for: innovation, durability, and a deep understanding of the industries it serves. It's built to conquer mountains, shape landscapes, and do the impossible, day after day, year after year. Asterisk, whether you're managing a massive mining operation or a complex infrastructure project, the D12 isn't just a piece of equipment, your most powerful partner on the ground. In a world where productivity, precision, and sustainability matter more than ever, the Caterpillar D1 to 2026 stands ready to meet the challenge head-on. This is the future of earth moving, and it's bigger, smarter, and tougher than ever before. Asterisk,